Alright guys, back again with another little video here. We decided to stop by the Tigard Hot Air Balloon Festival today. Me, the wife, and Gianna. Walking down to the entrance now. You normally have to pay to park, but if you park in the neighborhood, you can just walk, so that's what we did. Been here a few times. They got carnival rides, they got a bunch of vendors, food, drinks. So we'll check it out. Get out the house for the day. Oh yeah, also today they got the car show going on. Usually they have hot air balloons going in the sky early in the morning. And then late at night they'll have like a little light show where they'll light up the hot air balloons and you can see them lit up at night. It's pretty cool, but that's on Friday and Saturday, so they're not doing that today. Today is Sunday, but today they have the car show, which they didn't have Friday and Saturday, so hopefully see some nice cars out there. Alright, we'll see you guys over at the entrance. Alright, so we just made it in the entrance. Got that little baby with their sun hat. Oh my girl. Walking in now. This thing's sick. This thing is not. Woo! Oh, look at that. That's crazy. Chevy. Monte Carlo. Two Monte Carlo. Little bomber. This thing is crazy. Old Ferrari. Sheesh. What? I know, right? It's all the Mustangs.
Oh my god, they came yesterday when it was freaking hot.
Hotter than this for sure. Today's like nothing. It's still hot. They actually got a decent amount of cars out here. Not too bad. Oh, they got a Lamborghini over there. I gotta check that out. Skylark. The Huracan. Mike Mabowski. Oh, it's cool. Oh, yeah, he's driving it, huh? I think it's funny. Oh, I gotta take a picture. I got a picture of that decal over there. I think so. fat. Better? Go sit down, we can try to burp over there. Thing is here. Pick up a beer real quick while we're walking around. Rogue. See what they got.
Can I get some started for you?
Yeah, I'll do the bat squash.
Perfect. Can I get a $8?
Perfect. Oh, thank you.
What can I get going for you? I do a blackberry honey. Yeah, can I get a blackberry?
Rashio's been saying she's been wanting to get a drink, and I think we found a perfect spot for her. Over here, the backside they got a whole carnival back over there for the kids. Our son's be out of town. Otherwise, you probably would have been with us here. No. Check out a few of the stands. See if we see something. Those are pretty legit. Dragon Ball Z hats. Creation threads. Oh, dog collars. Those are cool. Hello. That one's awesome. Sparkly soap. Oh.
How are you folks today?
Hey, how's it going? We're doing good.
Welcome.
You know Julian. I like how they got the hot air balloon ones.
Everything is all hand.
Dang.
All the frosting on the top is actually bubble.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Those ones are also full too.
Dang. Awesome. It has like a little toy in it.
Yeah, the cows are toys, and the little sheep are toys. Oh,
Cool.
that's all we got left. Oh. I'll fall in the hole. We got one rubber ducky left.
Oh, nice. How much for the pack of the mini bath bombs?
So those are a lot of fun. Those ones are 10-pack for $14.
Those are cool
we are
too.
doing a fun thing where you can mix and match for the last day of the festival. Grab any 3 items, and the 4th item is totally free.
Oh, nice.
All of our bars of soap are just $8.
Okay. For Daisy. Okay, that one says you people.
She loves people.
I know.
That's exactly why it's kind of fun to wear those.
How about this one, the Barbie bitch one for her?
Oh my god, yeah.
Blitz. A bunch of cool little stands I got.
Signed to unionized cannabis workers.
Yeah.
Product samples here. All right,
Thank
here
you guys.
go. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Are you recording me right now?
I might.
Yeah.
Just not your face.
Not your face though,
Not
yeah.
my face.
Not your
yeah,
face.
just my meat. Right here, try Bloody Mary.
I'll try one of those.
Here you go, Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary.
Yeah, I'll try one.
It does taste like a Bloody Mary.
Try it.
Those are good,
One of my
man.
personal favorites.
That one is?
This Howling Habanero, one of my personal favorites right here.
See it over there. I was like, what's the name? Oh, Bob's freaking.
Yeah, Bob's Friggin' Nuts right here, and we have a website right here.
Check my guy out. Big time. Definitely good.
35,
Delicious.
Yep.
Delicious. Those are amazing.
Try our wine slushies down the way.
You have another stand over there?
Yeah.
I'll check it
wine
out.
Slushies.
For sure. We'll probably pick one up. Thank you.
I remember I had wine slushy last time.
Yeah, we did, yeah. Those are good too. Pet balloons.
Have you been to a lot of Yeah, Boba.
Bulba. Spice of Africa. Yummy. Fishing Rock. Eatery and Lounge. And Bulba. Lemon Thrillers. I would try one.
So we've got kombucha on this side, we've got pink lemonade and peach, and then on this side we have our mushroom elixirs. I've got matcha cream soda and you can try more than one if you'd like.
What are these guys good for, the mushroom ones?
Yep. Mental clarity, so it has reishi chaga and turkey tail in it. Those are 3 types of mushrooms and they all have different adaptogens.
I'm trying one of these for sure.
I'm gonna try this one.
Yeah, go for it. That one's kind of strong.
I love
That
kombucha.
one is strong.
It's gonna clear you up.
That one tastes like bubble gum.
This one?
Yeah, I think it tastes like bubble gum. Yeah.
Delicious.
It does taste like bubble gum.
Yeah.
This one's delicious. I gotta try that one. What is that one? Matcha cream soda?
Yeah, the matcha cream soda. Yeah.
Bomb. I like that place. Chop spot. Yeah, they're good. Fresh pressed lemonade. Cotton candy.
Oh, yep.
Cotton candy. Oh, cloud candy, he said. Oh, they got Kona here. Rocio spotted this over here.
Fresh sponge.
Oh, look at the flavors they got. Got some crazy flavors. Rocio's trying the watermelon one now. Watermelon.
Watermelon. I'll try the pina colada. Oh my god. Is the green apple like a little bit sour?
It's got a tang to it. You want to try it?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll do the green apple one.
Website perfect. I'm gonna get it. QR code, yep.
We sell online and we actually have over 30 flavors.
Over 30 flavors. Cloud Candy Company. Check them out online.
We're actually debuting our Baja Blast.
New favorite coming out, Baja Blast. Mountain Dew?
Yeah. And it tastes literally just like it.
Crazy.
I even went through some Taco Bell drive-thrus for validation.
That's even cool. Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
There you go.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Mama girl got her cotton candy with the bebe. Let me get my phone so I can take a picture of them. Juju's favorite. He's not here though. Kona Ice.
Looks like they're
Oh, they're on a break right now. Kettle corn. Juju loves this place.
This is so good.
Huh? We still got green apple flavor.
Yummy.
That's bomb. Oh, there's the wine slushies he was talking about. Can't pass up the samples. Face painting.
I wonder if my mom got one. Did she like?
That's it. Ice cold neck wraps. It's like 80 yesterday, so those have been nice yesterday. Not too hot today though. Yeah, those are cool. Make those signs like that.
Pancake.
Smoky. I look at Dylan. He likes those freaking dragons. Forgot to pick up an elephant ear before we leave. Last thing before we leave, because this girl's getting hungry, I think, huh? So, one elephant ear? Yeah. Card.
The maple glaze and the sugar and cinnamon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fire. 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 Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you too.
Yummy.
Fire. Alright, we're on the way out. Plus, I got a freaking Arctic Circle over here. Asking Robin. Cajun. Hot Shot Barbecue Catering looks fire. Sancho's Pizza. It's bomb.
When's the Lamborghini?
Oh. Lamborghini's out. Car's leaving. Car's leaving.
That's why I hurried on that.
Okay, hold up. All right, last car, and then we'll go.